Well, abusia for next Kumasi Asante Kotoko game no Sunday kwasiada no miensa ewo Doma Hinkro Kotoko ene Aduana Stars na ebo no chances no ewo ha Kumasi Asante Kotoko upper hand bia odi run this particular game. Unim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the last 3 games no untimi wini ba akokra ena we lose ni nyina Kotoko against Asek Mimosa, Kotoko against Karela ena Kotoko against Accra Lions Nina and in defeat. Kotoko could lose 4 games in a row. No, likely say bit mercy, but any possible. Possible, but any likely. Well, Kumasi Asante Kotoko any advantage be or de kosa game no. Information no ewa me de bro ewufia. Danlad wansem kakra ewa Danlad Ibrahim wansem kakra wa amafo raise concerns be regarding Danlad with current form of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Danlad honsem no me de bro ewufia mpacho unsubscribe ya na wa hit subscribe button na wa ba adoma no. So information we say enya to pe na ye de bro ewufie ha. Follow social media handles no. So Facebook ni Super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman, and TikTok no Blogman 24 na yindika subom next fixture na Najiman Bedu Park Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Doma Hinkro Bayside. Na details no me bro. In the last 10 games Kumasi Asante Kotoko ohe Ghana Premier League na most away wins kwama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Say most away wins no Kumasi Asante Kotoko the lead with 4 wins and Odidi Kaino, followed by Brekum Chelsea with 3 wins, Insua Treman with 3 wins, and FC Samates with 3 wins, Nations FC with 3 wins, Aduana with 2 wins, Midiama with 2 wins, Bechem United with 2 wins, Legon Cities with 2, and a Great Olympics. Inti Kotoko league na ebo ni nyina no ona eba away performance or ya de pan. Next league game no is against Aduana ewo away. Inti ye hope se Kumasi Asante Kotoko at least one ya de crowd be kwa kofa draw. This time any lose for the Krobia side. Now that's the expectation and we form guide particular this season. I know any day a busy akase kwasiada de Kotoko enkulusu away at least okay league numa on the best in terms of away wins. Now Danlad Ibrahim concerns among for reason is at this particular time young friend back into the Kotoko team squad beko Aduana no. I don't know what you think. You hear Danlad at this particular time. Of course, you hear Danlad. Into coach Ogumwedian, you have the appointing authority. At your for, wait a minute, my bench.